A very good morning, children. Welcome to assignment 14. Today we are going to learn S3 of block 3. In the last class, we learnt about types of joints. In that, movable and immovable joints. So let's start our lesson. Children, try to move your body at every joint you know about. Good. Now tell me, how did these body parts move? And in which directions did they move? Yes, joints move in different ways and different directions. So let us learn types of movable joints. So today's aim is classify movable joints based on how they move. So let us learn some keywords. The first word, ball and socket. B-A-L-L, ball. A and D and S-O-C-K-E-T, socket, ball and socket. Next word, hinge. H-I-N-G-E, hinge. Next word, pivot. P-I-V-O-T, pivot. The last word, gliding. G-L-I-D-I-N-G, gliding. So these are today's keywords. So let us do an activity. Copy the table in your notebook and open S3. That is page number 24. Now observe the pictures of joints and how they move. Now try to move the joint shown in the picture and feel how it moves. Now I want all of you to pause this video and do this activity and come back. Hope you're done with the activity, children. Now tell me, in what ways can we move our neck, shoulder, wrist and knee? Yes, we can rotate our neck. And we can move our shoulders and hip in all directions. And we can also slide our wrists and ankles. And we can bend our knee and elbows only in one direction. Now tell me, what are the different types of movable joints? So based on the directions or movement of the joints, we have classified movable joints into four main types. Our neck can be rotated around a fixed point, so it is a pivot joint. And the shoulders and hips can move freely in all directions. They look like a cup and a ball moving in it, so they are called ball and socket joints. Our wrists and feet can slide over each other, allowing the sideways movement. These joints are called gliding joints. Elbows and knees are like hinges in doors, so they are called hinge joint. Observe the next videos carefully. Our neck can rotate or twist around a fixed point, so it is a pivot joint. The shoulder and hip can move freely in all directions, so it is ball and socket. Next, our wrist and feet can slide over each other, allowing the sideways movement. So these are called gliding joints. At last, the elbows and knees can move only in one direction or bend. So they are like hinges in doors. They are called hinge joint. Now tell me, why do we need different types of movable joints? Because different parts of our body need to move in different ways. We need some joints that move only in one direction, while we need the others to move in all directions. And the joints in our body are adapted to the kind of movement required. So we need different types of joints. So today we learned types of movable joints, that is pivot, ball and socket, gliding and hinge joints. Now I want all of you to open your S3 of page number 24 and read the questions twice and then you answer. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you, children.